In a world that never seems to stop, how often do we take a moment to find tranquility within ourselves? In the constant hum and buzz of our everyday lives, the pursuit of inner peace can often seem like a distant luxury, but it's not. It's a necessity. In our fast-paced, interconnected world, inner peace is more than just a state of mind. It's a sanctuary, a refuge from the storms of stress and anxiety that often buffet us. Inner peace is the calm at the center of the cyclone, the eye of the storm that allows us to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. The benefits of cultivating inner peace are manifold. Mentally, it sharpens our focus and boosts our creativity. Emotionally, it fosters equanimity and enhances our ability to empathize with others. Physically, it lowers stress levels, improves sleep, and strengthens our immune system. The journey towards discovering inner peace is a personal and profound one, and it begins with a single step, a step towards mindfulness. Discovering inner peace is a journey that begins with a single step, and that step is mindfulness. So, what exactly is mindfulness, you ask? Well, imagine you're walking through a lush green forest. You're not just mindlessly strolling, but you're fully absorbed in the moment. You feel the crunch of leaves under your feet, smell the fresh, earthy scent of nature, hear the rustle of leaves in the wind, and see the sunlight filtering through the canopy. You are completely present, not thinking about your next meeting or the dinner you have to cook. This, my friends, is the essence of mindfulness. Mindfulness is a state of being, an awareness that involves staying completely present and fully engaged in whatever we're doing at the moment. It is about experiencing the world in its raw, unfiltered form, without letting our thoughts and judgments cloud our perception. It is like viewing the world through the eyes of a child, devoid of preconceived notions and biases. Now you might ask, isn't that what we do every day? The answer is no. As we grow older, our minds become cluttered with thoughts, worries, and judgments that often rob us of the joy of living in the present. We're either ruminating over the past or anxious about the future, forgetting to live in the here and now. Mindfulness is the practice of breaking free from these chains of thought and truly experiencing the present moment. An integral part of mindfulness is the concept of non-judgmental awareness and acceptance. It means observing your thoughts and feelings without labeling them as good or bad. It's about accepting things as they are, not as we want them to be. This acceptance doesn't mean resignation or apathy, but rather a calm acknowledgement of the realities of life. But here's the catch. Mindfulness is not about getting rid of all your problems. It's about changing your relationship with them. It's about learning to dance in the rain, rather than waiting for the storm to pass. It's about finding peace amidst the chaos, a quiet corner in the hustle and bustle of life. So remember, mindfulness is not a destination, but a journey, a way of life. It's the key to unlocking the door to inner peace and contentment. Mindfulness is not about getting rid of all your problems. It's about changing your relationship with them. Now that we know what mindfulness is, how do we incorporate it into our daily lives? Let's explore a simple step-by-step guide to mindful living. Begin your day by focusing on your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest, the sensation of air entering and leaving your nostrils. This simple act can anchor you in the present moment, setting a mindful tone for the rest of your day. As you move through your daily routine, pay attention to your senses. Feel the warmth of your morning coffee cup. Listen to the birdsong outside your window. Taste the sweetness of your breakfast. Each sensory experience is an opportunity for mindfulness. Finally, when thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment. Thoughts are like clouds in the sky of your mind, simply passing by. Observing them without getting caught up in their narrative is a powerful practice of mindfulness. Remember, mindfulness is a practice. It takes time, but the rewards are worth it. Meditation is another valuable tool in our quest for inner peace. Imagine it as a journey inward, a chance to explore the vast landscape of your mind and heart. It's about focusing your attention and ridding your mind of jumbled thoughts that may be crowding your mental space. There are various forms of meditation. Some are rooted in religious or spiritual traditions, while others are more modern, often paired with mindfulness. Some may focus on the breath, others on a word or phrase, and yet others may involve movement like walking or yoga. Regardless of the form it takes, the goal is the same: to quiet the mind, to bring us into the present moment, and to foster mindfulness and inner peace. It's like tuning an instrument, aligning ourselves with the harmony of the universe. Meditation is not about becoming a different person, but about becoming aware of who you already are. Ready to start meditating? Here's a simple way to begin. Meditation is a journey, not a destination. It's about being in the present moment, fully aware and accepting of what is, without judgment. The process is simple, yet profound, and it all begins with breath awareness. First, find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. You can sit on a chair, on the floor, or even lie down, as long as you remain alert and aware. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, then let it out slowly. Continue to breathe naturally, focusing your attention on the sensation of the breath flowing in and out of your nostrils. Feel the cool air as you inhale and the warm air as you exhale. Notice the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen with each breath. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Next, we move on to body scanning. Starting from the top of your head, slowly bring your attention down through your body. Notice the sensations in each part of your body as you move your focus down. Feel the weight of your body on the chair or floor. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort, but don't try to change anything. The goal is to observe and accept what is, not to fix or change it. Consistency and patience are key in meditation. It's not about achieving a certain state or feeling, but about developing an awareness and acceptance of the present moment. It's okay if your mind wanders. It's part of the process. Each time you bring your awareness back to your breath, you are strengthening your ability to remain present and focused. Over time, you'll find that this practice of awareness extends beyond your meditation sessions and into your daily life. You'll become more mindful of your thoughts, emotions, and reactions, leading to a greater sense of inner peace and tranquility. As we cultivate mindfulness and meditation, we cultivate inner peace. Remember, the journey to inner peace is a journey within, and it's a journey worth taking.